Hello friends, welcome to part 36 of Laravel 12 multivariate e-commerce series. In this part, we are going to work on product image gallery. We are going to upload multiple images via Dropzone. Dropzone we have used in the earlier parts as well to upload the product image, main product image, and also the product video. You can see in the product form, in the add edit product form, that we have earlier used the Dropzone for the product main image and also for the product video, and that is working fine. And in the last part, we able to validate our add edit product form. Like if you want to add any of the product, you need to add the mandatory fields. And I will show you the drop zone that we have added earlier. I'm going to edit any of the product and will show you. Here are the drop zone, and see, I'm going to add any of the image here. Like I'm going to add the main image, only one image it will accept like this. And for product video, we can upload any video. Like I have already downloaded the 1 MB video, so I will just drag it here, and after that I'm going to click on submit, and you can see the both the image as well as the video will get uploaded. Okay, here you can see. Okay, and also you can see the image. And now we are going to add the product main alternate images field. After this one, after product main image, we are going to add the product alternate images field, so that we can able to add the multiple images of the same product. Like this is only the one product, but we are required to add 6 7 images, like back image, front image. Okay, so there are many images that we want to show of the product. Okay, so for that we are required to create another field, and that will accept the multiple images. Okay, so for that we are going to add the drag and drop feature once again via drop zone. Okay, so that thing we are going to do in part 36, and we are going to follow these steps for that. First, we are going to manage all these product images in the separate table. See, so far we are managing in the one table itself. Here you can see that we are managing the main image as well as the product video in this in this products table. But now the see alternate images can be 1 2 3 4, means they can be unlimited, means we can even upload the 10 alternate images. So for that we require the separate table. So we are going to create the table product underscore images table. We're going to going to create with the help of migration, and we are going to see, we are going to create these columns in this table: id, product underscore id, image, source, status, and timestamps. Okay, so we are going to upload, see, we are going to create this table straight away. So I'm going to run this command to create the model as well as the migration file. Okay, so I will run the PHP artisan migrate command in here for our project. So more option, open git bash here, and here we're going to run this command: PHP artisan make model ProductsImage model along with the migration file. See, both model as well as the migration file has been created. So now we are going to here open the migration file, create product images table. Okay, so we are going to add the columns that we are required to add. Okay, so here uh, we are going to check the columns names. Uh, so we are going to add these columns. I'm going to copy and we'll add here. So here we have added the foreign ID product underscore ID column that will help as a foreign key for the products table. Okay, for the products underscore images table, and also the image string in which we are going to store the name of the image. And the sort is for sorting the image, like you want to show at the first place, second place, third place, like this. Okay, though we will do this later on, but right now we are just required to add this field here. Okay, and the status is 1 or 0, like if you want to disable any of the particular image. Okay, so the columns we are going to add right now. Okay, so here so you can see that this foreign key with cascade delete for under product underscore id. Okay, so This is the for an ID. This is the new statement that we have added here in our migration file. So we're going to run php artisan migrate command to create this table. So see, the table has been created. We can check here in the products database. We're going to check. Sorry, yeah, we're going to check here uh, in ecom 12 database. See, the product images table has been created. Okay. So after this, now see, we're going to open this products image model that we have just created with the migration command. Products image. Okay, here we will add here this fillable array so that only these columns will get updated. If we will try to update any other column, see, these are the columns that are required to update. Okay, so we will add this fillable array. So after this, now we are going to add the field in here after this product main image. We are going to add another field. Okay, so that field we are going to add in the add edit product form here uh, after product main image. We are going to add that field. Okay, alternate product images field that will allow the user or admin to upload the multiple images at once. So we're going to add this field after this one. Okay, I'm going to align it as well. So here you can see once again we will use the Dropzone script. Okay, and here see, this condition will come into play once we will upload the multiple images. Okay, only then this will come into play. Otherwise, see here we have used that product images Dropzone this time, and based on this ID we are going to run that jQuery function. Okay, jQuery JavaScript function that we are going to run based on this one. Okay, that script we are going to add now, and this hidden field we are going to add for the product underscore images. Okay, and ID is product underscore images underscore hidden. So we are going to add this script that is the drop down script for uploading of the images. Okay, so this one. This will help us to show the preview as well as the delete feature in the drop zone itself. Okay, so this is the script provided by the drop zone. Okay, just you are required for the basic understanding. Okay, otherwise don't cram this script. Okay, so here after this one we are going to add. See, already we have two scripts here. Product main image drop zone, product video drop down, and now this one is the product images drop down. Okay, images or images gallery drop down. So here we are going to call this route product under upload dot images. This route we are going to create in our next step, and this will allow maximum of 10 images. Okay, we have set the 10 images because I don't think that more images are required. Maximum 5 6 7 8 images are required, and I don't think more images are required. If you require more images for your website, more alternate images, then you can increase here. So we are required to add all the script like this, and this one is for the preview, and this one is for the remove of the images from the drop zone. Okay, so after this, we are going to define these routes. These routes are for uploading and deleting of the product image. Okay, so this one we are going to add in web.php file. So here we are already having the earlier routes. Okay, so now we are going to add these as well, and we're going to add this one. I'm going to add it like this for for uploading multiple images. This one is for delete temp image. We are going to store these images in the as a temp image. Okay, in the temp folder, because see, earlier on we are not storing because that was only one image. Earlier on, we are uploading just one image, so that is fine. But now we are going to upload the multiple images, 6, 7 images. So that's better if we are going to store them in temp, and after that we are going to move to the original folder. Okay. So in our next step, what we are going to do, let's see. So finally, we are going to add these few functions, product upload images function in the product controller, and also we are going to add the delete product image function, and also we are going to update the edit function. Okay. First, we are going to add these two functions in the product controller. Here we're going to add at the last. See, we can see add this function after upload image, then we can add upload images function. Okay, only difference is that this will allow the multiple images. See here, this one is same. Here you can see this one is exactly same, and but after this we have just moved that to the temp directory. This one is the new thing in this function. Okay, you can see only this one is the new thing, rest everything remains the same. We are going to call this function as per the images. Like if there are 3 images, then we are going to call this function 3 times to upload the image, to upload that single image. Okay, so we are going to upload that image in this function, and only difference is that we are going to move these images to the temp. Okay, but we will create the separate function for this one to make the things clear, so that we can able to update anytime. Because if we will do here, we can also do here, but it can also damage our earlier code. We don't want to spoil our earlier code. Like if some issue comes in the product multiple images, then in that code that issue will come, it will not affect the other things like product main image, product video. Because sometime it happens, like if we will upload, if we will take the code from here and will use it common for both product main image as well as the product multiple images, then maybe this one also stop working. Because if we will not test properly, then maybe this one will also stop working. So it's better if you will add the separate code for the product, for the separate feature. Okay, so now in our next step we are going to update the edit function. And see, first that lead to product image, we are going to add it as well. This one also we are going to move after this one. Okay, and we are going to update this edit function, where we are going to attach the product underscore image relation that we are going to create in our next step. We are required the relation between the product and the product images. Has many relation we are going to add. But first of all, we are going to update as we are working on the product controller. So we are going to add this in advance. Okay. So now finally we are going to add the has many relation between products. Okay, has many relation between products and the products image table. Okay, for that, this is the function that we are going to add in the product model. So I'm going to open the product model here, and this function we are going to add after category function. We are going to add this function. Okay, so finally we are going to update the add edit product function. There we are going to add this code of uploading the alternate images, and after saving the image, here you can see after saving the image, then we will going to add this script. Okay, so we are going to open the product service, and in add edit product function, and at the last, after saving the image, we are going to add the upload alternate images code. Okay, so this will finally help us to upload the images. Here you can see that we are going to upload the image first to the temp, and then finally to the destination path, that is the front images products. Okay, so both the source, this is source path and this is the destination path. Okay, we are going to copy the image from the source path, where we are storing as a temporary image, to the final path. Okay, and finally we are going to insert that image, that product ID of that image image name of that image, and sort and status. Okay, sort we are going to add it like 0 1 2 3 4 for now, and status we are going to add it as 1. Okay, later on we are going to make it like we are going to add the sort field along with every image so that we can able to sort it as well. Okay, and not with this one but with the product images. See, I'm going to refresh and will show you. See, here is the field now, alternate products images. Okay, and multiple uploads allowed. Okay, so here we have mentioned this one is the single upload and this one is the multiple upload. Okay, so now I will try to upload the multiple images. Okay, let's see if it will work fine. So here from my downloads folder, I am going to copy the multiple images, like the three images I will try. See, I will drag these three images here and see all the three images have been added here. Okay, see here the script. Okay, see all the three images with the remove file. Like if you want to remove, you can remove it as well. Like if I want just two, like the mind has been changed and I want just two, then we can remove here. Okay, so I want these two images to get uploaded. So I'm going to click on submit and we'll see that if these two images gets uploaded or not. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this error has come. We are required to add the product's image model at the top of the product service that we have forgotten. So we are going to add this model at the top after product. We are going to add this one product's image as well. Okay, so now we are going to refresh it. Let's see. Yes, this time it has been done. Product updated successfully. So we are going to check whether the alternate images have been uploaded or not. Yes, the alternate images has been uploaded. But here you can see these images seems to be same. Okay, so we are going to open the folder as well. Okay, and we'll also try once again, but I'm going to open the products images folder. Zap, htdocs, personal, ecom 12, public, front, images, products. Okay, so here these are the images. So what I'm going to do, I am going to make this one first empty. Okay, I'm going to delete all. And also I'm going to see product images. I'm going to remove these one as well, these fields as well. Should empty. And also I will open the products table and here as well. I'm going to remove all the images. This main image I'm going to remove. Okay. So now I'm going to try to see there is no image. So I'm going to add this one once again. Let's see. Auto select here these three images, t-shirt 1, red t-shirt 2, and red t-shirt 3 here. Okay, so now see all three images are different. Now I'm going to click on submit. Let's see this has been done. Now I'm going to click on edit. See here are the three images. Two seems to be fine here. Third one is having some issue. Let's see if what issue exactly. See, we are required to see our upload handle image upload. Okay, so here is some issue because here it is speaking the same time. That's why the issue is coming. So what we are required to do, we will update this code. See, okay, so this is not mentioned here. I'm going to add here. I'm going to add here the random variable. Okay, random function I'm going to add, and that is the rand. Okay, and here I'm going to start with 1111 to 9999. Okay, so I'm going to end it like this once again. I'm going to use it. And the same thing I'm going to add delete. Okay, so here only, okay, handle image upload. So let's see now. Let's remove these images. Want to remove it? Yes, delete it. So let's see if the delete is working or not. See, delete is also not on my, working because delete product image does not exist. So that function also we are required to create. Okay, so let's create that function also. Delete product image, here we have added or not? Yes, here we have already added, and call to, so but its function does not exist. So we are going to add this function as well, and I'm going to check in product service, delete product image. Delete product image does not exist. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one and we'll add here the function delete product image, and here delete get product image, and the product image we are going to get from the products image here, and here is no main image, here it is the image only, where id that is fine, no image found, get product image path, that is also fine, delete product image if exists. Okay, delete product image from products underscore images table. Okay, here it will come product underscore images table, and delete product, and here once again we are going to add here products image where, and this one delete, we are going to delete this image straight away like this. Okay, product image has been deleted successfully. Okay, so I'm going to refresh here, let's see. Yes, now this has been done. Now you can see that we can able to delete the product image. Okay, so we are going to delete all the product images, and we'll upload once again, as we have added there the random function, so that the every product name will have the different image, different name. Every product image must have the different name. So that's why we have added the random function. Okay, so once again we are going to add these three images. Okay, so let's see if we able to upload this tab or not, and I'm going to click on edit now to see if the three images has been uploaded. Yes, this time these three images has been uploaded. You can able to see all the three images because all three images is having the different names right now. Okay, I'm going to show you in table, in folder. See the different names for all these three images because we have added the random function here in the product service. uh, while uploading the image, we have added the random function. Okay, so that's why it is generating the new image name every time. Earlier, you see same image name it is generating, so the duplicate issue was coming. Okay, so now there is no issue. So we will also add the here the main image as well. This is the red casual t-shirt. Okay, fine. So we are going to add the main image, like this main image we are going to add here as the product main image. Okay, and we are going to click on submit. Now we are going to check here. See, the main image has been added here. So one of the image I have added the as the main image as well. So it's working fine. You can see the product main image. You can see the product alternate images as well. Okay, so all are working fine. See, once you will click on any of the image, it will show in big size. Okay, so here now we able to add the drag and drop feature for product main image, for alternate images of the product, and for the product video as well. Okay, so in the next part we are going to start working on the product attributes. We are going to manage SKU, stock, prices of the product, like the product like this one, red casual t-shirt, may be having the 3-4 sizes, small, medium, large. So we are required to manage all these sizes. So that thing we are going to do in the next part. So please stay tuned for that. And also please join the channel. If you want to get the complete source code, you can always join the channel, and the channel name is the Stack Developers. Okay, you are just required to search for the Stack Developers. Yes, Stack Developers. Okay, this is the channel name. If you will search in Google, and you can see at the top there is the channel Stack Developers. Okay, So this channel you can just open and subscribe the channel for more updates, for more Laravel updates, and for other things, other technology updates as well, like the Shopify, GitHub. Okay, and you can always join the channel to get the complete source code and support. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.